na nesia pejo kia Alupo na iwuniete anyonu ne tegiarire chuma lo kari lukumniare kereto mna kanyangon ne enda lolo aboya etene loa chuma kaloi ngarendi kinte onapte komo loi tija unatarnesi.
What you see over there is what you call
skeptical about the viability of this project since the Koreans supported the government put it up. But a year later, after being inside, I can say there is light at the end of the tunnel, to use that old phrase.
Apolokindo ne chuma lo Julius Ekomo ne sabu komonya Kalupo nuwe kada lo pesa na kanwa ispedori kesi egulete muchoga kanejasi ya Akoriok.
Each tree is giving us 100 kilos, so that would be 800,000 kilos. At a price of say about 500, you need about 360 billion around there to consume the oranges in Teso, but we do not have that working capital. So we need some working capital support to start building quantities, both of what we process, but also to invest in marketing so that when we process this, it's able to go to the market.
Abu Alupo iteje na ebe nesi adiope na mamu alakara kide ipone loe modomodora Akoriok. Nida ebe abu otiro nesi kwa pe Akorion.
But I am also here as a fruit farmer of oranges and mangoes. But I am not a happy farmer because I was disappointed by the prices of the fruits, both oranges and mangoes. And I belong to the group of those farmers who are still asking questions on when the fruit factory will absorb all the fruits from the farmers. The fruits of large-scale farmers, but also fruits from the small-scale farmers.
Abu Isinyikokinai yeye itenelo echuma kalo aikujun aichoritunga Akoru muchuga ekotuptete aitakadikinio na abu olomusek nedabo na kicha kesi egirite kosote da jepana rikeche muchuga kanuyama mruna isokoni.
Because at that time many farmers got disillusioned and almost abandoned the oranges. Because before, oranges need a lot of attention. You have to prune them, you have to spray them, you have to put manure, and sometimes even put watering them. But when the farmers got disillusioned, they stopped giving attention to the oranges. And many of the oranges are now affected by pests and diseases because the farmers withdrew after realizing and recognizing that after all, you have to sell a very tall bag of oranges at 30,000. So we need a fresh drive. If we have resurrected the factory, if we have hopes of resurrecting the factory, we need a fresh drive to motivate the farmers again, to revive the fruit growing, because otherwise we shall be moving in circles.
Ejas ngonda abu Elip ya itene aitojokare iponelo ichupa ilu iturio imatenelu kanwa isupona etunga.
And one time, I think my mother was sick and a guest brought for her teju in the other circuit. So when we went to visit her, she said, yesterday they brought for me just juice, you get that juice and drink. So when they brought that juice and I saw it, I looked at it and said, but it teju. I actually told her that it looks like the other circuit because I had my sister who works in the blood bank. I told her that it looks like that circuit which they use for collecting blood. That's what I said, and I didn't drink it.
Ekomo ne sabu komonya Kalupo alimo kinapugan aitoliki na isumundina isirigini bilion na kaisa kanyanu kanyape kanu aingara kina kesi eguleta Araito kanejasi ya Akoriok kada aitojokare ya itine lo echuma.
Expand equipment instead of building new factories. We simply buy equipment that processes more tonnage, and then the factory continues to operate. And that is what exactly is part of this document. I didn't mean that we need to build 10, to be able, but just to expand the equipment that we can use to buy the equipment to increase the processing capacity.
Chamuniti ya itenelo echuma kalo ebe araelo makana pugan osoreta ngara kirkeskiri sirginu yata kena depa dujukana kino kesi ebe buneja utene kada iswamae ajukunara deparine. Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Soroti.